Today we are making a special pepper soup recipe using tripe. It's properly washed. We are going to start seasoning and cooking our tripe. So we have our seasoning, salt and bouillon. We have our pepper blend, ogili, onions. So here we have our spices. I have utazi. Utazi is for meat cooking, okay? It's for pepper soup. It changes everything. It's a local herb. Then I have Uziza. Uziza is like hot ground pepper, very hot. And this one is ehulu. It's called the calabash nutmeg. Then we add it. These are typical herbs for making pepper soup. It is done. So this is tough, it's fresh, and it's tough. So I'm gonna be adding some water. Okay, so you can cook properly. So I'm gonna be adding a little oil. Okay, it's optional. Okay. Mix it up. Let's cover our meat and let it cook. So today we are making a special pepper soup recipe using plantain. Today is plantain pepper soup. I am using unripe plantain, okay? So we're going to peel it. We have started cooking our meat. We are going to peel the plantain. So this is our pepper soup. The meat has softened. The next thing to do is to add our plantain. All right. I'm gonna cover it and let it cook. So let's check on our plantain. Want it cooked? We're not overcooked, okay? Look at that. Today we prepared plantain pepper soup, and it is ready. It tastes so good. Let's dish our food. So today we prepared a delicious plantain pepper soup and it is ready. Look at that, very tasty. We've come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, share, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, and may God bless you.